am currently trying to figure out how I'm gonna light this thing up. That'll work. Messy work down there. Even with my glasses, I got some sawdust in my eye. Poof. Working on getting that shelving done. I had to really think it through and it wasn't coming together mentally as easily as I hoped, but we're in the last phase. But I'm getting some trim work done for that top rail. In order to get those routed edges, you have to bathe in sawdust. This is how it's looking. Just gonna see if this is gonna fit. Now I'm just kind of deciding if this stays a corner or if I should round it. I've got some good news and bad news. Well, let's start with the bad news. The Marble hasn't sent me a template yet. Marble guys, we're at least not 2 weeks out from install, which means it'll be later in May that the Marble gets installed, which puts my deadline later. Good news is my deadline's later. It's a lot of work getting this big massive shelf in. I kind of anticipated having help on this since the pressure's not totally on. I'm just kind of doing it on my own. New deadline is May 28th. I'll be leaving town on the 29th, so it's gotta be done by then. Why my back always hurts. Precious. I just got my light hooked up on the wall there, and now I'm trying to decide how much light strip to use. I must have bought the wrong one, because the rest of mine are very yellow, warm colored, and this one's very white. If I can get away without installing another light sconce. Trying to figure out how I was going to string all these. I got all the channels inset. And this is the process. Can you see me? Okay. First things first, I'm the realist.
First things first, I'm the realist.
Second thing is we need a hole to get this light, well, not this light, but a light plugged in. I've got an outlet box on the other side of the crawl space there where we'll have got power running to it. I need a box. I'll drill a hole, hopefully where nobody can see. Pop through that light into the crawl space. It'll light up. It'll turn on with the sconces. So there's one less thing to worry about. I got the track up, and you wouldn't catch me dead leaving this shower curtain looking thing up. But I wanted to test the gliders and how smoothly they ran, and it is really nice. I really highly recommend this track system. I'm gonna use this as a little track cover. That's where the hole popped out. Perfect. So it will come up here. I'll go down and over and up and under and up and over and up. Woohoo! I made a horrific mistake. Use these little nailies to put in my backer, and they freaking barely. If I would have had probably less power on my brad nailer, I probably wouldn't have gone all the way through, but now right at eye level. Pink, 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 pink. A rack that's going to mount back here and face frontward, and we're going to hang the sweatshirts front to back, but it's only 15 inches deep. This is 18, so I want to bring it out a little bit so they're not being too shaded by the countertop here.